Hello, my name is Nick Underwood, and I'm the Programs and Integration Engineer here at NOAA's Aircraft Operations Center. And today we're going to be talking about uncrewed aerial systems and how our team uses these to better understand how hurricanes are forming. This is an example of one of our uncrewed aerial systems. And what's great about these is that these are able to get to the parts of the storm that our aircraft really can't go because it's just too dangerous. So these are able to fly down at really low altitudes close to the ocean surface and get us important data on the ocean and atmosphere interchange and how that fuels just how strong hurricanes are getting. This UAS is equipped with instruments that can collect pressure, temperature, humidity, wind speed, and wind direction data for us. It also has a sensor on the bottom that can tell us the ocean sea surface temperature, which is very important in understanding how much energy is available for a storm to soak up. We launched this UAS from the bottom of the P3 just like any of our other expendables like Dropsondes or AXBTs, and an operator on board is able to control the UAS after launch and command it where to go in the storm to get the most interesting and vital data. This UAS can stay in the air for about 90 minutes after we launch it, so even as our aircraft continues to fly our preset pattern, this can stay in the eye of the storm, down at those low altitudes, and collect that vital data that we really need. New technologies like this allow us to continue to gather data sets that would otherwise be too dangerous for the P3 to go collect, and allows us to stay on the cutting edge of hurricane research and reconnaissance. With NOAA's Aircraft Operations Center, I'm Nick Underwood. Thanks for watching.